All right, let's jump right in because we've got some breaking news from the world of enterprise AI. It's a brand new partnership that could seriously change how big companies get work done. Let's unpack it. So here's the headline. ServiceNow, the platform that's basically the operational backbone for thousands of businesses, has just announced a massive partnership with OpenAI. And this isn't just another press release, folks. This signals a huge shift for AI in the business world. Okay, so what's the deal, really? Well, it's a multi-year agreement to plug OpenAI's most advanced models, we're talking their frontier AI, directly into the ServiceNow platform. Think about that. They're taking the most powerful AI out there and wiring it straight into the core engine of how global businesses run. To get a sense of just how huge this is, think about this number, 80 billion. That's the number of workflows ServiceNow customers run every single year. And now, every single one of those processes, from a simple IT ticket to a complex supply chain request, is about to get supercharged by this new intelligence. And listen, we're not talking about just any AI here. This partnership is specifically bringing OpenAI's frontier model, GPT 5.2, into the game. The really crucial part is that this AI isn't just going to answer questions, it's going to jump in and actively help automate really complex business tasks. So that's the big picture. But what does this actually look like for, a real employee on a regular Tuesday morning? Let's dig into how this AI is actually going to work inside a company. This whole thing unlocks 4 really key new abilities. You get AI assistance, so you can ask a question and get a real actionable answer from your own company's data. You get AI summarization to instantly get the gist of a long incident report or a customer case. There are new developer tools that can build automations just from you describing what you want. And of course, intelligent search to find exactly what you need right when you need it. It's all about speed and getting rid of manual work. And the user experience they're going for here is really the key. This isn't about learning some complicated new software. The whole interaction is designed to feel like a conversation, less like you're operating a machine and more like you're just chatting with a super smart colleague who knows the business inside and out. So here's how a task might play out from start to finish. An employee just asks for something in plain English, like, hey, can you escalate this customer issue to the right team? The AI understands not just the words, but all the context behind it using the company's secure data. And then, and this is the game changer, it doesn't just suggest a solution, it acts. It actually triggers the workflow, routes it for approval, and makes sure the task gets done. It becomes a true end-to-end action agent. And that ability to take real action, that's what makes this so different from a lot of the AI tools we've seen so far. This isn't about playing around in a test environment anymore. This is about fundamentally changing how work actually gets done in the real world. This quote from ServiceNow's COO, Amit Zaveri, just hits the nail on the head. He says the focus is on deploying AI that takes end-to-end action in complex enterprise environments, not sandboxes. This is basically the graduation day for enterprise AI. It's moving out of the lab and onto the factory floor, so to speak. And the vision here goes way beyond just typing. The plan is to build out what they call multimodal experiences. That means you'll be able to interact in whatever way is most natural. You can talk to the system, you can type, or maybe even show it a picture to get a process started. It's all about creating a seamless, agentic interaction where the AI is a true partner. Okay, so this is obviously a huge deal for ServiceNow customers, but what does it mean for the tech industry as a whole? Well, this partnership is basically setting a brand new standard for what we should all expect from enterprise intelligence from now on. And it's really important to remember OpenAI is already a powerhouse in the business world. It's the AI behind the scenes at giants like Walmart, Morgan Stanley, and PayPal. So adding ServiceNow to that roster, that just further cements its position as the go-to for top-tier AI in business. And speaking of scale, get this, over 1 million. That's how many business customers are on OpenAI's platform, which is why some people are calling it the fastest growing business platform in history. This new partnership is just going to pour gasoline on that fire. So if there's one major takeaway here, it's this fundamental shift that we're watching happen in real time. We are officially moving from the then to the now. We're leaving behind that era of just kind of experimenting with AI and standalone tools and sandboxes with a ton of human oversight, and we are stepping right into an era of fully integrated end-to-end AI agents deployed at massive scale that can act with way more autonomy. This partnership makes one thing crystal clear. The age of the AI agent in the workplace isn't coming, it's here.
Which really leaves us with one big question to think about. With this technology moving so fast, how long is it really going to be until an AI agent is the most productive member of your team?